Hello students, let's learn lesson number 1, tracing changes through 1,000 years.
Historians and their sources. Just as you are using this graphic page to learn about history, historians also use different sources to learn about the past depending on the period they want to study and what exactly they were looking for. In this book, for example, we will read about the 1,000 years from roughly 700 to 1750 CE. To study that time, historians, as usual, use coins, writings, inscriptions, and architectures. But as paper had become cheaper around that time, there are more written records than other sources. Although all sorts of things were written about to politics to the sciences were written about, they were either not written on very good paper, written in poor handwriting, or the languages they were written in have now disappeared. Another problem is that most of it was either written by or paid for by a few rich and powerful people. So, they often tell only one side of history. If you have friends who have bad handwriting and if you have ever tried copying their notes, you know that it's not easy thing to do. Because there was no printing press in those days, copies of writings were made by hand, which are called manuscripts. The job of those people called scribes was to copy whatever it was that the master wanted copied. And they couldn't understand the writing, or if the paper was torn, they would guess and probably by mistake even make small corrections. As more copies were made, they started differing more and more from the original text. Sometimes it also happens that there are many versions of a book or text written by the same person at different times, and we find the later editions before the original ones. For example, the 14th century chronicler Ziauddin Berni wrote his chronicle first in 1356 and another version 2 years later. The two differ from each other, but historians did not know about the existence of the first version until 1971 because it remained lost in large library collections. So, although there was a lot of writing that started happening in the year 700 to 1700, it doesn't always make the work of historians as easy as this kind of graphic books make yours.